Oh my god, check out that glow, you guys. Check out that glow. What's up, beautiful people? It's a girl Julian, and you're welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this beautiful red glittery smoky eye. I mean, this look has been on my mind to create for so long now, but then when filming this look I thought, well, I shouldn't upload it because, well, it wasn't looking so good, and I don't know what came over me, okay? But well, on a second thought, why not, right? So I hope you enjoy watching this as I enjoy making it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do the whole lot of nonsense if you still want to see more of me. And don't forget to also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my primer water to kind of spray my face. Okay guys, next I'm gonna go in with my Mary Kay foundation, as you all know, because you know I love this foundation. I love this foundation. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna blend it with my Emax Design foundation brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with my brows because I have to clean it. But before I do that, I'm gonna go in with a mascara to kind of lift up those brows, because guys, if you watch my previous video, you know that I don't do my brows with brow gel or, you know, brow pencil. Not anymore. I used to, but I've got quite enough of brow hair, so I just use a mascara to lift them up. Okay guys, next I'm gonna go in with my Blossom Pro concealer to clean my brows. Like that. Okay guys, I'm still gonna use the same concealer to highlight my face. Next, I'm gonna blend that out using my Emax concealer brush and just blend that out in a tapping motion. Gently. To contour my face, I'm just gonna go in with the LA Pro concealer. Next, I'm gonna blend that out with my Emax blending brush. I'm just gonna blend it into this and this. Blend it into each other so there isn't any line. Next, to blending my nose contour, I'm just gonna go in with a smaller brush and then just brush it down. Next, to set my face, I'm going in with this black opal in the shade 03 medium, just to set every area of my face. I have concealer. Okay guys, while we let that sit for a minute or two, let's move on. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with this pink right here, and I'm just gonna put that at the top of my crease right here in a tapping motion. Next, we're just gonna blend that in a circular motion. Okay guys, next we're gonna go into a much darker red, this one right here, and then just put that underneath right here, underneath the first color. Next we're gonna go into an even more red eyeshadow right here, and just apply that below right there. Okay guys, next I'm gonna go in with my clear white lash glue to glue my glitters in place. Glitters, I'm going in with this red glitter right here. Okay guys, next I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner from Xoxo to draw my wings, girl. Fly, fly, fly. Okay guys, this is it for the look so far. I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera and I'll be back with you all. Okay guys, I am back, and next I'm gonna set my whole face with my oldie but goodie Pond's oil control powder. You know how I love my oil control, because girl, I don't want to go out looking like someone's about to fry some chicken on my face, like, you know, like someone's about to fry some chicken or fries on my face, girl. No, I don't want nobody to fry chicken on my face, no. Okay guys, after setting my face, I'm just gonna go in with my contour brush and then just grab a bit of brown color right here and just use that to, you know, once and once, because like I said, I'm not a fan of contour and I don't really like it when my contour, you know, is too pronounced or it's too much. I mean, nobody does, but yeah, just like that. And next I'm gonna blend that out. Okay guys, next I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Beauty makeup setting spray. I'm just gonna spray that. Okay guys, next for highlighter, I'm going in with my Glam highlighter from Xoxo to highlight my face. She better work. Ooh. Oh my God. Okay guys, as usual, I'm gonna blend that out using my big brush. Okay guys, for my lips, I'm gonna line my lips with this Davis brow pencil. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Infinity lip gloss from Xoxo. Ta-da! Okay guys, this is it for the look. This is it for the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me till the end. Oh, and I added a bit of gloss to the lips. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end, and I will see you all in my next video. Xoxo.